Afternoon there, friends of Jiggly. Just tinkering in the garage, and I thought that this was kind of cool. The neighbor who lives in that house right there brought over an old bird feeder from their yard. It was rusted, all the glass was broken out of it, and I thought, you know what, I'll see what I can do about making that pretty. So I took the old sander to it, and this is what's underneath all that rust. Now it's still pitted pretty bad, as you can see, but it's a copper clad. It's got a real thin layer of copper on top of something else. But this is what they look like before I sand them off, and you can see I'm getting a decent shine on them. And I've made a template to replace the broken glass, which is what that is. I haven't cut it yet. But just wanted to show you the before and after. Here, I mean, this is before the sanding. And that's what I get after. What's actually been the hardest part of this whole ordeal is putting these little plexiglass panels in. All of them off of the original when it was given to me were broken. So I had to take a couple of them that were slightly intact and tape them together and do all kind of fun stuff to make my template. And like I said, that's been the hardest part of this whole thing, is getting these back in. But with it being plexiglass that I cut it from, it is flexible, so I can push on it hard if I need to, like that. There you go. I've got 3 of them in, 3 more to go. It's kind of a slow, tedious process, so I'll spare you guys having to watch it. Alright, it's time to reassemble. Damn light glare. Let's try moving the camera this way. Oh. Alright, piss on as best it's gonna get. That's the bottom. Now that it's complete, check that out. And then that goes just like this. Now this piece I'm actually confused about. It looks like it goes right here. Oh, hey, it snapped in. Okay, so that goes right there. Cool. And then this thing goes down on top. Just like that. And this long bolt goes right down. There's a little tiny hole right in the middle. Doo-doo-doo-doo. It's in, I just gotta tighten it. Alright, it ain't gonna get no tighter. Okay, now time for the lid. Put this right here so you guys can see what I'm about to do here. The original cord that went through the lid is no more. So I had to think of a new one. And we're about to see if it's the right size. It's the right size. By George. Okay. So it's time for the big reveal. Check that bad boy out. Now they were just going to throw it away, but knew that I like to tinker with this kind of thing, and brought it over and gave it to me. So, but we're going to go find a place to hang it, and I'll be back. Alright, it holds seed just fine. Now we chose this particular spot here. I'm sure you can see all the bird crap. Up here in this hollow branch is a big bird colony, just a bunch of them living there. All the way down this dead branch. So we figure, what the hell, birds need to eat too. And they're already chirping at me. I don't know if that's a thank you or get away from my tree.